Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by identifying the exact laptop or motherboard model and noting serial or service tag info. This matters because manufacturer steps differ. Once done, power down, unplug, remove any main battery and press, and hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to drain residual charge. Make sure you wear an ESD strap or ground yourself. Removing CMOS or clearing jumpers requires static control. Then open the case carefully, exposing the motherboard so you can locate the CMOS battery and password jumper without forcing clips or cables. Next, find the CMOS coin cell and any labeled CLR CMOS or password jumper. The labeling is often near the battery or edge headers. If using the battery method, gently remove the coin cell and wait 5-10 minutes to ensure CMOS discharges. For jumper clearing, move the jumper one pin over for 10-30 seconds, then return it. Make sure to keep track of screw locations and avoid touching components. After restoring the battery or jumper, reconnect power and try entering BIOS. Many passwords clear with these steps because they reset stored config. If the password persists, remove the coin cell for an extended period, up to 24 hours. Since some boards retain settings, make sure the machine is fully offline while you wait. Alternatively, look up manufacturer master password procedures or consider a BIOS reflash with an official recovery file. These require care and correct firmware. If you hit dead ends, stop and consult the motherboard manual or authorized service. Trying random firmware, solder pads, or hardware hacks can void warranty or damage the board, so escalate when uncertain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.